So, you are on your way to Zimbabwe or perhaps further north, and your biggest nightmare is Beit Bridge Border Post. My name is Mana Stander, and in this video I hope to give you a couple of simple steps to get through Beit Bridge Border Post. So let's start with the South African side, direction north. In total you need 2 stamps on your gate ticket. One from customs and one from immigration. Immigration also stamps your passport, and as soon as this is done you continue on your way to Zimbabwe, and just before you reach the last checkpoint you have to pop in at the South African police to verify that the vehicle is not stolen. So here you need your gate ticket, your stamped passport, a certified copy or the original of your vehicle registration documents, and if the vehicle is not yours, then a permission letter from the owner stating that you may use the vehicle. Have the vehicle searched. As soon as the police are satisfied, you continue towards Zimbabwe, hand in your gate ticket at the last checkpoint, and you are off. Then the Zimbabwean side. Here you need a total of 4 stamps on your gate ticket. First thing you do is you'll purchase your gate ticket from NLB, that's New Limpopo Bridge. Second, you proceed to immigration. Here you have your passports stamped as well as your gate ticket, so that's the first stamp. Continue towards customs. Here you pay for your road access fee, your carbon tax and your third-party insurance, and declare whatever you are carrying with you, and here you get your second stamp. After this you continue towards Zimbabwe Republic Police, and here you get your third stamp, and this is on the back of your gate ticket. The police verify that the vehicle is not stolen, and the same applies as on the South African side. If the vehicle is not yours, then you have to have a permission letter. Also you have to have the vehicle's registration documents or a certified copy thereof. Then you continue to customs under the roofed parking to have your vehicle searched, and once they are satisfied they give you the 4th and final stamp on your gate ticket. As soon as you have 4 stamps on your gate ticket, then you are ready to roll. You continue towards the last checkpoint and then hand in your gate ticket and you are off. I hope this video helped. If you liked this, please give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Thanks.